Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to use your Apple Watch Utlra 3 as a camera remote for your iPhone. So as for example, if your camera's on a tripod or you want to take a group photo. So first of course, just make sure you are connected to your iPhone. Press the crown. Scroll down and you're going to press the camera icon. So as you see, it now brought it up. So what you can do here is you can press the shutter button where it says 3S. What you can also do though is you can press the three dots. So as for example, you can turn off the timer. You can also, for example, change to the front camera. Camera flash, you can adjust that. My photos you can turn off or on. When you're done, just press done. Once again, you're going to press the shutter button. Pressing again. You can also press on the photos in the corner. And you got others to it. So hope this helped out.